Horses out, breaking for the lead. It's Shining Gold moving up on the outside. Grain Lexter alongside is Andrew Zig Spellbinder. Finish it. Here comes next. Mangaro, Bicol, second last, and Jetborn is the early trailer. Into the turn they go. Finish it here. Now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Grain Lexter in second, Shining Gold in third, a length and a half in fourth comes the favorite Spellbinder, then 4 lengths away in fifth, Bicol, Mangaro, and Jetborn. They swing him to the back. Finish it here by about 2 lengths. Shining Gold sit in second. Then here comes Spellbinder now moving up on the outside third. Grain Lexter, Bicol. Finish it here. Shining Gold moving up his Spellbinder on the outside. This time 3 horses fighting it out for the lead. Moving up Spellbinder on the outside. In the middle Shining Gold. Finish it here is running by the last. They come down at the last 200. Spellbinder takes the lead. Finish it here is running by the Shining Gold in third. Last 100 meters we have Spellbinder by about 2 lengths now. Finish it here in second. Shining Gold, Bicol, and finally Spellbinder. Finish it here, close, Bicol, Shining Gold. Then comes Mangaro, Grain Lex.